Yeah, guys, welcome to my channel. It's Claudette. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend about my channel, and don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified when I put up on videos. So, guys, you know me there Jamaica, so me have to talk like a patois because so I love my patois. Me just have to talk better for make the foreign people them hear. But no me there Jamaica, me just have to talk me like a patois. So anyway, guys, we're go on the road, go look on two property. Me already look on some, but me have to turn back and go for my YouTube phone. So me go and show no two property where me go look on. So if you don't want to see the property that me go look on, just stick around and just watch the ride. So yeah, we're gonna look on two property. So stick around. So guys, this is the first one, and me just gonna look outside. Me always want to look outside to see if we have a lot of fruit trees and how the place is, if we're the rainy water. Some little stuff we always look outside. We Jamaican people, we just love it outside. So we love lots of fruit trees. So we just take a look around. So I'm gonna play a little music, so I can play a little music until we reach inside. And you can see, but this guys, as I see right here, it have ackee tree, it have breadfruit tree, it have mango tree, it have banana tree, it have plantain tree, and it have a lot of flowers. And this are the house. Me just take a look at it, guys. It kind of low, but they raise it. So when you reach inside, you will see more. So I'll play a little music until we reach inside. Okay. So now this is the inside. We're up on a veranda and we're going inside. So this is the good thing about it, guys. It's already grilled, but guys, this is a lot of work. The lady already told us that it need a lot of work. So this is the veranda, or foreign people we might call it porch, and it's a huge veranda, and this is the neighborhood. Neighborhood is very nice. Not a lot of houses, and it's a scheme. So we enter the house. It have grill everywhere. In Jamaica we always have grill for some reason or the other. But we have grill. So this is what I was telling you about. The roof is they raise the roof, and the arch right there. When you enter the house, it's a living room and your dining room. So the living room is at the front, and the dining room is at the back to the kitchen. So the kitchen is at the back, but guys, in my opinion, I think they should put the veranda like a wraparound veranda. But however, this is you could see the raw concrete there where they raised the roof. So it have 4 bedrooms, and this is one of the bedroom. The master bedroom, you could access the master bedroom from the veranda. But it's a nice place. However, it's a lot of work. So if you really, and they store a lot of stuff in it. A lot of stuff is stored in it, like bed, and you can see foreign people them have them like a barrel with them carry up, but everywhere is already grilled. So guys, you don't need to do no grill, because the grill them is already there. You don't have to just shine off and paint. So it have 4 bedroom, as I said, and three bathroom and 4 bedrooms. So the master access to the own, the master is on one wing, and then the other rooms are on the other side. But it's nice. But as I said, they store a lot of junk in it. Their bed and their, so it's like they were living in it before, and then they raised the roof, so they was to dismantle the stuff and pull up the stuff them and put them all about. So it's a lot of cleanup you have to do. If we get this, it's a lot of cleanup we have to do. Now, guys, this is the kitchen. The kitchen wasn't as big as I thought it would. It's not as big as I thought it would be. But as I said, if I think this veranda could be wrapped around, because then you could even access the veranda of the kitchen if you wrap the veranda around and just wrap it all the way around, so you could access the veranda from everywhere, because you could have the veranda at the back and you could have the veranda at the front. So this is the main bathroom, which 2 rooms uses this bathroom, and then the other room there's a master. So basically it's like an ensuite. You have an ensuite where you have a bathroom can use one of the room, looking like a master, but it's not really a master. But so it's not 2 masters, it's just 1 master bedroom. And then you have, and this is just, I'm showing you, they raise the roof. And Jamaica, them have to this, however, guys, I think this would be good if it have a second floor. If you have a second floor, so what you could do, you could take off that roof that they raise, and then right there you just put a second floor on this room. It would be so nice. And the tile, you could see the tile, a long time tile, so you have to change the tile in. So that was one of the bathroom to access to that room. And then the doors, you have to paint the doors, or you have to change the doors. But as I said, it's a lot of work need to be done in this one. And I have I went to 2. So this one is the first one, and the yard is big. So you have a lot of yard. If you want to put on more, if you want to extend it, it's there. A lot of space. If you're gonna extend our what we want to do. But we're just looking. No decision is made as yet, but we're just looking. So, yeah. But as I said, guys, this would be nice for a 2-story, because you have the height, you have the space. You could do like a 2-story. And I think it was a 9 foot before, or 8 foot, and now it's like 12. So this is us now finished, and we're going back out looking there, guys. For me, this was what I was telling you. We could have wrapped the veranda, go all the way around to the back, and you could raise the door. The door could go higher as well, guys. For me, it's too closed up. I would prefer to have like our open concept. I like open concept, and would make it be more modern. Because I like it, and you have a big gate you could come through for. If you have a car, I like it to be modern, fresh, looking, youthful, modern. We could add on like a little second floor. And this I'm showing you the community. The community is nice. This is the end of the road. Basically, one more house is up on the street, and there is people new making. It's a nice community, quiet, newly built. I don't know if they are resident coming back in the community, or is like local. So guys, this is the end of this house. So yeah, this one now, guys, is next one I'm looking at. It's this one of a huge lot of acres. So they build one house on this, but it's a small house. However, I didn't get the chance to go in this house because I needed the person to open the door, so there's nobody here to open this door, but it's a huge lot, and this is the house. So basically, I didn't even get to look in there. I just see pictures. So guys, this is the end of the video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel, and don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Guys, I said I was going to talk patois, but sometimes the patois and the proper English mix up with the foreign too long. But you know, so you go. But guys, this is the end of our video, so we catch you next time. And tell me if you like the house, what would you do? Just put me up in the comment section. Tell me what would you do to the house if you like the house. This is this one is a big yard. This one, I love the yard. Huge. You could have about 4 houses on it. So guys, this is the end of the video. So catch you in my next video.